Hi everyone, I'm Celeste and welcome to my YouTube channel. On my channel, we're covering the 31 days of Halloween. Woohoo, spooky! On today's video, we're actually going to be Frankensteining and giving new life to an old purse of mine. And it's going to be this purse. This purse used to be pink, bland, boring, and stained. Because it was stained, I didn't really want to wear it out and I kind of outgrew it. But I still love this purse. I really didn't want to throw it away. So I gave it a Frankenstein werewolf gothic makeover. I hope you guys enjoy this small little makeover for the 31 days of Halloween, and maybe this will inspire you to look back at some of your old belongings and give it some new life. You know, give it some Frankensteining. All right, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So I have this leftover piece of fur that I used for my jacket earlier I made this year. I'm going to use that and cover this entire back side and this front flap. Now for the rest of it, I'm going to be painting black. Okay, I gotta go get some black. Luckily, I still have some other black paint that I have, so I will be using acrylic to go on top of it. Because this is already so dark and dirty, I didn't want to try using a different color. I remember that I actually have tons of this left over, so I think I'm going to add it to the front flap, just like my other bag that I have. And I think it will just give it a nice little design on the flap and not just be so like, here's fabric, like here's fur. So first and foremost, I'm going to paint this all black, make sure that it's nice and uniform. I'm also going to only paint the top part of the strap. The underside of the strap, I think I'm just going to leave it clean because it's a nice leather and I don't think I can paint the leather. Sure to start by clearing off your area and laying down some newspaper or any kind of thing so you don't get your desk dirty. I have a nice wide brush to help spread the paint. Oh yeah, look at that. It's just taking it like it's butter. And I can't spread any more of it. So what I did do was actually go back to the store and I bought some more black acrylic paint. You want to make sure that you give it a really nice coat. Once everything is dry, go ahead and figure out the length of lace ribbon that you'll need for the inside. I only want to do this front piece, so I'm going to glue it down with E6000 and then cut off the excess lace. Now my scrap piece of fur was too big for my purse, so I took a box cutter to the back and slowly scored the back of the fur until it was cut. Do not use scissors on the fur, otherwise you're going to get an uneven cut to the fur, which we don't want that. So slowly go across. It does take a little bit of time, but the reward is so much higher. Now I used some fabric glue to start placing it all around the back of the purse and put my fur down. Sadly, my camera died as soon as I started placing my fur. So you'll just have to imagine how it's going to look. But anyways, the last step is to bring out that black paint again and paint the strap. I have this nice big cardboard box that I was able to use so I didn't have to bust out any more newspaper. And when that's dry, you're done. If I wanted to take this a step further, I could have added some little ears here to make it kind of like a cat. Or I could have added actually some teeth coming out at the bottom to make it more of like a bag eating itself. Honestly, I wanted this to stay kind of luxurious because this is some really strong fur. So if you guys can't tell, I really just like putting my face against it, but it's really cute. Let me know if you guys like this Frankensteining bag tutorial and if I should do more of these for the 31 days of Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to check out some of my other videos on the 31 days of Halloween, and I will see you in the next video. Stay spooky. I think I am just gonna say that.